Welcome guys, so as you can see in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Jabra Move Style Edition. So as you can see, when I try to connect my headphones to my Android phone, unfortunately there's some kind of the issue. I'm not able to pair them, and I would like to show you how we can fix it. So at the first, you have to power off Bluetooth on your device, so I can recommend you to go back and simply power off the Bluetooth. So that was the first step. Another one, you have to be sure that your device is turned off. So we have to move this slider to this position, just like that. Right now, I can recommend you to enable Bluetooth on your device. And from the previously connected devices, just remove your Jabra Move Style Edition. And right now, move this headset to the pairing mode. So use this slider and hold it in this position until this indicator starts blinking like that. Right now we can release it and leave on the neutral position. Next, select to pair new device on your device. In my case, I'm using the Nokia 5.3, that's the Android device. As you can see right now, the Jabra Move Style Edition appears on the list, and try to select them. And let's see what is going to happen right now. There we got the pairing request, so click pair. And after a few moments, we are successfully connected. So if you have the same problem with the connection, that's the way how we can fix it, and I hope it will work in your case. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.